Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. I'm conducting a workshop in the first week of October. Description you can check for the details. You can contact our office. Coming back to the markets, today it was a good opening. At some point of time, at least the Nifty future was trying to take out 25,000. Again, as usual, in the last 1 hour, there was some huge selling. In just one 15-minute candle, Nifty fell more than 100 points. So this market, as I told you today, there are some positive and some negative. One side positive is that, the Trump is softening his stance. But on the other side, they're also threatening tariff on IT products. That's evident today. The IT index is down nearly 1%. So IT index, although it looks like it has bottomed out, but every time it rallies, some bad news comes, it is falling. And today, once again, TCS and Infosys contributed on the negative side for Nifty. Today, some interesting observations. Number one, if you see 2-3 months before, the Nifty future premium used to be about 150 points in the beginning of the month. Later it comes down, but the following month, so let us say this is September, October future will be about 150 points higher than September. November future used to be about 150 points higher than October. It was trading like that. But then in between, the markets have become very bearish. That 150 point premium has come down to about 100 points. And today, I think some kind of a positivity is coming. Although on a close-to-close basis, Nifty did not go anywhere. But you look at the future premium, current month future, next month future, following month future. So instead of 100 points, now it has come to about 125 points. So this shows that the markets are getting slightly bullish. Probably because of Trump's softening stance and this and that, it can happen. So that is one. Second thing, today India VIX is higher, but despite that, still India VIX is below 11 only. And although there was a selling pressure towards the end of the day for more than 100 points, but put premiums in monthly options or for month options, did not shoot up much. So in all probability, yesterday during the Dalal Seat Week Ahead program, I said, in all probability, we can trade with positive bias, and the Nifty closed positive only. And in fact, broader markets have outperformed. Next 50, mid cap, small cap, all have done better than Nifty. Another important observation, after a long time, there was a great stability in HDFC Bank. That's number one. Next one, after a long time, the Bank Nifty today consistently outperformed Nifty. I think on a closing basis, it was almost the same. But otherwise, for most part of the day, the Bank Nifty was actually outperforming the Nifty. So all that indicate, if there are no more further negative news, the markets are likely to go higher. The probability of market going higher is more than the probability of market going lower. So that is what I'm seeing. So we do not know what is going to happen tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But looking at the open interest, 24,800 call, 24,900 call, 25,000 call, like all the calls have been added, and the puts also are added equally. Those who have taken 24,800 short straddle yesterday, they made fantastic money. But the thing is, who will be holding it, when the market was rallying in the morning? So finally, the Nifty actually closed at, what a GIFT Nifty indicated today morning. Yeah. So in the morning, I said very clearly, auto stocks will be in focus. Look at auto index has shot up more than 3%. And with today's rally, I think from August 15 to till today, the auto index has shot up 15%. Right? But that was largely negated by underperformance in banking stocks and IT stocks. So let us hope market stabilizes and market continue to move higher. And so there is some kind of a hope now. Until now, there was no hope. And looking at the FIIs, FIIs have sold for 2,170 crore today. That was expected. Otherwise, why the Nifty has to fall more than 100 point intraday? So, out of the last 10 trading sessions, 5 trading sessions, Nifty fell more than 200 point intraday. And today, the 11th trading session, Nifty fell more than 100 point intraday. So anyway, so these FIIs are determined to continue to sell. But of course, the domestic institutions are determined to continue to buy. So though FIIs have sold for 2,000 plus crore, domestic institutions have bought for 3,000 plus crore. So right now, US markets, US futures are higher, European markets are looking good. So hopefully tomorrow, we may open slightly positive, but the bulls will be having more confidence if Nifty closes above 25,000. As I told you yesterday, now it is just a consolidation between 24,500 and 25,100. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.